Today I'll show you how I made this pumpkin baby hat. So if you're interested to see how to make your own, keep on watching. Here is the little pattern I just drew up. I took a regular piece of paper, folded it in half, and I just drew this shape. So it's the full width of the paper at the bottom and it's 2 inches wide at the top. Did the full length. So the idea is just to have it be a general hat shape down here, and then this is tapered long enough to tie a knot. I did a smaller one in the past that was an inch less than the paper width, still to the top. And then for the smaller one, I did 15.5 by 5.5, and this is 17.5 by 6 for the band that'll go around. That's just the length times 2 plus a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So now I'll show you how to construct that. When you're doing a color blocked one, like for the pumpkin and the green stem, you want to, of course, attach 2 pieces, but with a seam allowance. So I've just shown here that you're cutting the base a little longer going up and the top a little longer going down. So different fold lines there to cut out those pieces. And of course you're cutting 2, and then they just get put right sides together and the band added. This paper is representing the band pattern piece, but it's not the accurate size. So this is the right side, this is the wrong side. So what you'll do is you take your fabric and you fold it this way so that the shorter edges are together. Then you fold it again this way. This is called the ham hot method, and you just do 1 stitch right here. And I use a serger, but for this project you can use a standard machine with a stretch stitch, like a zigzag. So you just do the 1 stitch there, and when you turn it back right sides out, it'll be a nice band that's folded over. Place your color blocked pieces right sides together and stitch along the top. Then fold down that seam allowance and press it toward the bottom of the hat. Put your 2 main hat pieces right sides together and sew around the edge, leaving the bottom open, of course, because it's a hat. Then with your main hat piece still facing wrong sides out, put your band around the bottom with all the raw edges together and stitch that on. That's how you're going to get the hidden seam when the hat is turned right sides out. And then you fold the cuff up, tack down the 2 sides if you like, and tie the top in a knot, and you're all done. Here's the finished result. I tied the knot and I just tacked down the 2 side seams here. I'll have this seam be the back, and then that is hidden seam in there. So super quick, super easy. And you can do the smaller one, just cut out less width. I did the same height though, because I wanted to get the nice knot on top. And this is a little bit shorter as well, about a 1/2 inch shorter than this one. All right, let me know if you give it a crack. Enjoy.